तपाईं हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ मिक्स मार्क्स इन्फो युट्युब च्यानल. प्लिज सब्सक्राइब फर मोर भिडियो, मोर इन्फर्मेसन, मोर entertainment.
Okay, I'm going to make you bechamel sauce. And bechamel sauce is one of the 5 mother sauces in the culinary category. So what I need milk, flour, butter, and salted so that it reduces the salt content, because we're going to add salt. I've got nutmeg. For the equipment, I've got my saucepan, wooden spoon, whisk, and the bread. Okay. Put 120 grams of flour, 120 grams of butter, nutmeg. For the equipment and utensils, I've got the wooden spoon, whisk, grater, saucepan, and my cooking stove. Going to mount. Okay. I'll use the cooking the wooden spoon later just to melt the butter. Okay. The flour. Mix in. Okay. I need to make sure my mix cooks very well. This is what we call roux. Okay. Keep stirring so that it doesn't have lumps. Okay. And now I'll be adding my milk. But the roux mainly it's all up to what you want to make it. You can cook it furthermore if you have this deep brown color. So now I'm going to add my milk heat. So I'll switch off my stove and add slowly my milk. Okay. And I mix well so that I remove all the lumps. Turn back my heat on. Add more milk. There we go. All of it. Okay. Season my sauce. It's pepper. A little bit of salt. Okay. Then nutmeg to give the flavor, a very nice flavor and the aroma to the sauce. Okay. Now continue mixing. Now I'm using a wooden spoon. Wow, look at that. The thickness. Okay. And to finish it off, I use the whisk to make sure I kill all the lumps with this sauce. Okay. Spoon.